Hey guys, I just wanted to let you know the weather is super bad and I don't want you to worry, but the ferry caught on fire and
feels like it's been about 2 weeks of travel back and forth from Rome, bringing all the stuff, getting all the gear here. We're in our house now, like our base camp for the next few weeks and for the next few months.
In a remarkable stroke of luck, we were able to rent this incredible historic villa for what feels like almost nothing. We'd never be able to get this in California.
Our beautiful Italian villa. It is unbelievable.
Hi, Mama.
Hi.
What are you doing here?
I'm waiting for Giuseppe. I want to ask him a question. What are you doing here? Look at the color of the water.
Yeah. I'm
It's a little ridiculous.
Can
Can you come and hold his hand, please?
Always on.
I want a baby gate right here.
I know, it's gonna be hard. Take a look at the terrace where we will be having breakfast. 2 bedrooms open to the view of the sea. So here we are at our new villa in Sicily. Huge kitchen. I have my bread table, soon to be bread table. We just came back from the market, so we have a ton of groceries that we bought, but figure out what we're going to make for dinner tonight. So it's so exciting. I can't believe that we're here in this. It's like an Italian dream home, but I'm just blown away.
Yeah, good morning. Here we are. Look at the baby. Look at everything going on. Look at Solly going down on his own.
oh boy, I'm Adam, and this is my wife Tracy. And this is our partner Rachel, and our kids are Doc, Fancy, Solomon, and Ezra. We're the Paskowitz family, and after about 11 years on YouTube, we thought we should get our act together and reintroduce ourselves to people. We're underwater archaeologists and surfers, kind of one part Jacques Cousteau and maybe one part Scooby-Doo. We prioritize the ocean as a family, learning about the mysteries and the secrets of the ocean from the past to the present. This is our channel. We call it Paskowitz Family Sea Stories.
This was our first time diving down in front of the villa. Whenever we get to a new dive spot, the first thing that we do is Adam and Doc get in the water and check things out. How to get in and out easily, see if there's any currents we're dealing with, and they're looking for jellyfish, stingrays, and even apex predators. They just want to survey things before we all get in.
Oh, it's a nice step.
Once they give us the go-ahead,
Yeah.
it's all fun. You're not Italian until you're in a tiny little vehicle, little Fiat.
This thing is like...
On a bright sunny day down by the beach, one of the interesting things about this area in Sicily is that you can travel up the mountain a few thousand feet and suddenly be transported back in time into the medieval town of Erice, covered in a romantic fog. Even when it's bright and sunny down below, up in Erice you are walking amongst the clouds. One of the things that is not to be missed in Sicily is to appreciate the wonderful food. Everywhere you go, vendors are selling yummy treats for cheap. An important part of Italian culture that we really enjoyed was the gathering for dinner. Delicious food, having your family together. Ezra fell in love with bolognese. and just spending time around the table.
Okay, we're making pizza. Okay, this is Solly's pizza. Pizza dough. This is Mama's pizza dough. We have to let, it's very cold here because it's windy, like 50-mile-an-hour winds and rain. And just a basic chill in the air.
Really sticky.
And then put it in, look, like that. So this is it, type 0. Farina di pizza.
Okay, so I'm going to Malta. I'm going to check out this boat that we're looking at. It could be like a 1 in a million situation. It's exactly what we were looking for, and I just hope that it works out because we don't really have that many choices in this area. Finding submarines right now and putting it all together by the summer, by the time the dives are available, it's going to be really tricky.
Pretty gnarly ride, 5 straight hours. The roads are just insane here. Fog, you name it. We are in the city of Pozzolo, getting ready to get on the ferry. We are going to Malta. Going to see a boat that maybe we can use for the dives here in Sicily. It's got 2 submarines, 33.3 and a 33.1. The ferry is 2 hours. The weather has been almost hurricane conditions, and the ferry was canceled for the last 2 days. And we should be there tonight, hopefully. Yes! We made it on the boat! Yeah! Oh my God, that's so gnarly. We're freezing. We made it on the boat by the last second. We are the last car. Look at that. Wow. You don't see that every day. I mean, look at this city. Wow. Got up this morning. Our hotel was amazing. We have just enough time to meet Dimitri, who we've never met before, interesting character, and we are going to see about looking at some submarines and his boat. Yeah, like this just came up, you know, that I showed up, you know.
Here's the dive deck with the wet well, custom made. I mean, it's proper commercial deck with a wet well. They have hot water, hot air.
Wow, that is good to know.
Actually, this is one of the guest rooms.
So what did you think of the U-boat?
It's amazing.
It's
a miracle ship.
just the perfect boat for us. 2 submarines, 2 manipulator arms, dive bell, hyperbaric chamber. Love Dimitri, love that his dad's involved. What a unique situation here in the incredible Malta. Just too much. The whole thing is just too much. Too incredible. And walk, grab some lunch, and then hit the ferry. It seems like the type of place where someone would be following you. We got a tail. There's somebody following us. I don't know why, but we'll get to the bottom of it. It's like James Bond.
What else you do today?
We had a great trip in Malta. I feel like we learned a lot. Treasure salvage is way more complicated, way more life involved than I think we originally thought. Everyone we've dealt with, they are pro salvagers. It's been a long night, a long day, long weekend.
Weekend.
Yeah, and but I feel good. I'm glad. I'm very grateful that we made it back safely because it was definitely touch and go. And now we're going to go 9-9.
After Adam and Doc got back from Malta, the weather was beautiful. We enjoyed our time outside, went on walks, got some chores done, and Tracy and I even got a date day. It's pretty magical being around such rich history. Being in this place that's so ancient and has so much history, the whole thing is just so romantic.
Just gave Nancy a thorough COVID test, and she is negative, both in personality and in test.
Can you just look at Mama? Here. Just getting your hair. Let me see you. Okay, ready? Mama's gonna do it. Ready?
Oh my God, that's horrible.
Bobby,
Bobby, Bobby, Bobby. Give me that Bobby. Come on, Bobby. There you go. You deserve it.
So Trace and Solly and this guy and I just went on a walk into town. Adam and Doc and Vance have been down on the rocks in front of the house. They've been fishing and diving, and apparently they caught a fish, so we're gonna go check it out.
Over there.
You should get to this rock. Together we only caught one, and that means Pa shot one, and I didn't catch any. Hi, Andrew.
Oh, it was so great. Lots of fish. I could have easily shot a bunch of them.
Yeah? Wanna go up the hill?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go up the hill. Oh. Okay, almost there, Ez. You sure got a good deal here, kid. This hill is a workout. Can't even believe this view. It's ridiculous. Like, are you kidding me?
Is that what you need help with?
No, my arm. I hope you enjoyed joining us this week in Sicily. We really enjoy making these videos and hope that you'll like and subscribe. And next week, there will be way more. Sicily in the off-season is an incredible place, as long as you can handle just a little bit of cold weather. We just got out of the water. It's colder outside than it is in the water. It was so cozy in the water, and the visibility is insane.
It's shallow and deep. Yeah. It's like, boo! Woo. Cold out of the water. I think we should just go home.
And I think we're ready to go home and eat some dinner, drink some wine, have a good Italian evening. Sicilian life is about family, friends, good food, love, and good wine. Falling in love with Sicily is easy. All you have to do is come here.
Yeah, it's pretty grad here, but the jet lag, it's all jet lag.